In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use LaTeX in Notion. If you've ever wanted clean, readable math in your notes or docs, Notion makes it simple with inline formulas and block equations. And I'll walk you through both in a clear, practical way. Let's start with formulas that live inside a sentence. When you are typing a paragraph and you want to drop in a bit of math, type $2. Then your formula, and then close it with another $2. For example, you could write something like double dollar x φ2 plus y φ2 equals z φ2. Double dollar, and it will render right in line with your text. Keep your cursor snug to the dollar signs, no leading or trailing spaces, so it renders correctly. If you've already typed the text you want to turn into a formula, just highlight it and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus E. Notion will convert the selection into a formula instantly. If you need to edit it, click on the rendered math and start typing. When you are done, press the arrow key to move out of the formula and continue your sentence. Now, for a standalone, centered equation that gets its own space, use a block equation. On a new line, type a / and start writing math or block. Then choose block equation from the menu. This opens a dedicated editor where you can type your LaTeX and see it render cleanly below. This is perfect for longer expressions, derivations, or anything you want to call out visually. A quick alternative is to type $2 on a new line and press Enter. Notion will open the formula editor right away. Inside this editor, you can use LaTeX basics like circumflex for superscripts, for subscripts, /frac for fractions, /sqrt for square roots, and common Greek letters like /alpha or /theta. If something doesn't look right, check for missing braces or extra spaces inside commands. A couple of practical tips as you work. Keep your formulas concise inline to maintain readable paragraphs and move more complex steps into a block equation for clarity. If you are reusing a format, duplicate a block equation and just replace the expression to keep consistency. And remember, you can always click any rendered equation to quickly tweak it without breaking your text flow. That's all you need to seamlessly add math to your Notion pages. Whether you are taking class notes, documenting research, or writing technical specs. Thanks for watching.